Hi there. Before beginning, you should have Camtasia installed and running on your device. Either the full or trial version will work just fine for this course. If you haven't done this yet, just visit textmate.com/Camtasia. Once you've done that, you can begin exploring the amazing world of digital storytelling. I would also like to take a moment to share my personal method for video-based learning. I have watched hundreds of video tutorials and tried numerous techniques for ingesting and processing what can often seem like a huge amount of information. Before going into this course, I would like to share with you a very important success key that would help you achieve the maximum benefit for the content. I found that the best way to internalize what I have learned is to use it as often as possible. The simple method goes something like this. Watch the tutorial. Walk through the steps at your own pace. And if you need to watch the tutorial or any part of it again, then walk through the steps again. It's really key that you actually do the steps. Now, this may seem like a lot of work and time, but it's really an investment, not a cost. I found that if I just watch a tutorial a week later, I have no idea what I've learned. But if I have actually walked through the steps a time or two, the information has become an internalized concept. This is what works for me. Your own learning style may be completely different. With Camtasia 9, you can capture your story and your personality and style and polish it to perfection for sharing it with anyone, anywhere. Basically, that's all you need to know to jump in and begin walking through the course. Let's go rolling.